Butch Feltz with Lee Mar Construction out of Fort Myers, Florida. We do complete site preparation and road building. We're looking to get within 1/10 of grade across the 100 acres here. They're going to flow water across it, and it's going to be a bird sanctuary. So the tolerances are real tight. We're cutting a subgrade below our final muck layer. So we're having to dive in, cut the subgrade, and within 10 minutes, put the final grade back on top of it. So the machine is having to switch from subgrade to final grade every 50 feet. And this machine, with the ease of the use of the touch screen, has made it so the operator can flop between layers instantly. We have a John Deere high-speed dozer with TopCon. We have used competitive products to do our final grade work. If you try to get very much ground speed, they'd either dive in on you or just not be able to keep up.
I would compare it to say a Cadillac, and then the 3DMC squared as like a Ferrari. It is. It's that night and day. It's truly remarkable.
The advantage of the speed is being able to put it on this high-speed bulldozer, where the speed of this squared system, the accuracy stays right with it when the speed moves up. So in 2 or 3 passes, we're able to complete it.
It is extremely accurate at high speeds, and it pretty much can do circles around a steel track dozer.
I can go over there and help them at the stockpile with no problem. I can be there within, a minute. Work over there 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and that takes out a whole hour of the bulldozer work, within 20 minutes. I can come back, catch the backhoe up, and be with him a little bit, and then I can go to the other stockpile, fix the haul roads for the trucks. It's just the speed, and this GPS system, it's 0 to nothing.
We chose to use TopCon equipment because its software is much more user-friendly. It has the simplicity of a 4-button menu. The data collector screen is the exact same screen that you see inside the bulldozer, and it has the exact same 4-button menus.
Our guy took right to it. I got out myself and was able to get in there within 10 minutes of training and get in there and use it, so it must be easy.
What I love about it, with the AgTech and the Trimble, you would have to go in and set up, go into different files. This one here, you just turn it on and go to work. I crank up and I'm going. I turn it on, one power button. Wherever I leave the next day, it'll just pick up there. And I don't have to wait for nothing because everything's in front of me. So I know what to do.
We found that within a half a day, or the worst case scenario, a whole day, they pick it right up. They want to use it the next day. I
can grade going 10 miles an hour, no problem. Once you get a flat surface, this thing's going. Works good on slopes. You can go as fast as, the slope can handle it.
If you were having to make those 2 different cuts and, you would have to go through 2 or 3 different sets of staking, whereas we can just do without it. There's no staking.
It does whatever I want it to do. If I wanted to cut at a certain grade, I'll punch it in, and it'll cut it.
The finish with the 764 John Deere is remarkable. It is unbelievable. It looks like practically a roller has gone over it, that type of finish. It really puts the grade to the ground where it's supposed to be.
They actually just toe-pulled this, and everything came out, within 500ths. Can't beat that.
With this size of a site, it'd save us anywhere in the neighborhood of $40, $50, maybe even $60,000. That pretty much pays for the equipment in itself in just one job.
We've really found production to be up. One machine's covering 2 machines' jobs. We're able to save 25 to 50 cents a square yard on grading time just because we're covering the ground that much faster.